Okay, we're going to do a song. As I said, Rob writes all the songs, and he thought it was a good idea during the first COVID lockdown to write a song about the Pooh Sticks, which was the band that I was in with Amelia. Frankly, no other fucker was going to do it, so... Thanks, Rob, for writing a song about the Pooh Sticks. This is it. This is called The Pooh Sticks. Hey. Thanks for listening. Good night.